Hello everyone, I am here to guide you on how to add driver from admin panel. To add drivers from the admin panel you should visit the delimax.app/admin website and then enter the valid credentials to log in to the site. After logging into the site, you can see the admin dashboard. Now let's see how to add drivers. Before adding a driver, you should add the driver's vehicle name. For that, you should click Vehicle Management and click Add Vehicle. Here select the carrier type from the existing drop-down. You can refer to our previous video to know how to add carrier type. Add vehicle name, vehicle number. Select status. Insurance number. RC number. Insurance expiry date. RC expiry date. Then upload required images by clicking this browser option. And click Save button to save the vehicle name. Then you have to decide what are the documents that should be included in a document setting page. For that, click on the Document Management and click Document List option. Here you can see all the list of documents that have been created previously. If you want to add any other document, which is not available in the existing document list, then select the Add Document option. Here select for whom it is created for. In that, select driver and select the status. Enter the document name, then you have to decide whether the document should have an expiry date or not. And save the document. Now the saved documents are available in the document list and document setting page. Here you can activate or inactivate the document as per the need. Now let us see how to add a driver. For that, click on the driver management and then click on Add Driver. Here we have prefilled certain fields, but you can fill them according to your needs. Now select the company, but it is required only if the company assign their own driver. Otherwise, this option is not required when the company assign drivers under Delimax platform. Then add vehicle name. For this we already discussed how to add vehicle name in the starting of the session. Now the added vehicle name should be available in this drop-down. Select vehicle name, add mail ID. Enter the driver name. Then add driver's phone number. Here you can change the country code according to the need. Add work area, but it is optional. Add address details of the driver. Now click on the browser under avatar to upload the driver's image. Add work city. When adding a work city from the drop-down menu, the work zone option will automatically hide. This prevents the simultaneous addition of both a work city and a work zone. If you need to add a work zone instead, simply cancel the city selection and proceed with adding the work zone. This design ensures that either a city or a work zone is chosen based on preference, as both are optional parameters. For drivers working within specific areas, selecting a work zone will automatically hide the city option. You can also add multiple zones simultaneously, making this feature particularly useful for those with specific regional limitations. Here, create a password. Then re-enter it to confirm. And select status. Now click Next. Now you see the document setting page. These are the documents, which we already saw how to add documents in the starting of the session. Here upload required documents images by clicking the browser icon. And then add expiry date of the document. Then click Next to fill bank details. Now you can see the bank details page. Here we have pre-filled the details, but you can fill them according to the needs. Enter the bank details like account name, account address and other mandatory details. And click the submit button so that the driver will be saved in the driver list. In this option, you should be able to change the status of the driver from active to inactive according to the needs. That is how the driver can be added from the admin panel. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.